let me just tell you all, I absolutely love this hair. Okay,
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on perhaps my favorite straight hair from overseas thus far. When I say overseas, you know I mean the Chinese-based companies, because I get asked a lot about what my favorite vendor or my favorite company is, and I never really answer with I guess I should say full body responses, because I never really coined a favorite vendor, because I don't know, I just never really coined one. And this is actually my first time trying this particular company straight hair, but I've already reviewed for this company over 3 times, and this company that I'm going to be reviewing today is AlipearlHair. So if you guys already know, you've been subscribed to my channel for a long time, you already know that I have reviewed their deep wave hair in numerous different forms: bundle closure form, pre-made closure form, closure wig form I should say, lace front wig form. I had a 6x6 lace closure with deep wave bundles. Look, I've basically been through it all, only with one texture of hair, and this is my first time trying their straight hair. And let me just tell y'all, I absolutely love this hair. Okay, I've been wearing this hair for over a week. Actually, this will make the 8th day, because I started wearing it last Monday, and I'm recording this video right now on a Tuesday. Y'all know, yes, I am being paid to do this review because I need my coins, I need to eat, but the opinions that I'm dropping on this hair right now, they're not paying me to say any of this. I genuinely love this hair. Okay, so I have in 3 bundles of their Brazilian straight hair in 22 inches. So all 3 bundles are in 22 inches, and I have a 20-inch 6x6 lace closure. So I got all 3 bundles in the same length because I just like full hair, and I like for all of the hair to just be all one length. So look at the swing. Okay, this hair has heaviness to it, it has density to it. Okay, it's not wispy in the wind, like it's literally going to swing back and forth if I wanted to. It's gonna swing back and forth if I wanted to, because it literally has that heaviness to it. And that's what I love about this hair off rip, because I've been working with a few companies, and 3 bundles of hair been looking extra thin. This right here, look, this is what I love. I love the heaviness, I love the swing, I love the wiggle. That's what I love off rip. So I did dye all of the bundles in the closure jet black. So like I said, this is a 6x6 lace closure. So it goes from here, which is like my edges right here, all the way over here to the other side of my edges. Now I did burn a hole in the lace on this closure. If you follow me on Instagram, you guys already know I talked about this last week. I was on the verge of tears, okay, when I burnt a hole in this lace. I was pressing the closure out with a pressing comb, the one that goes on the stove, because that's how I get my closures to lay so flat. And I went in with the pressing comb, like right about here, and it literally burnt a hole like on the part of the lace that didn't have any hair on it, like right into the hairline. And I was devastated because I had already dyed the hair, I had already constructed the wig, so I'm basically maneuvering to styling it, and I had an event to go to that night. So once I burnt the hole in it, I'm just like, fuck, I'm gonna have to ask them to send me out a new closure. But I was able to fix the situation by adding these baby hairs on this side and on this side. So this side was unharmed, so it's really nothing wrong with it. But on this side, of course, you're not gonna be able to see the hole because I cut basically all of the surrounding lace that got frayed, but you would have been able to see it had I not added any baby hairs right here. And the lace is kind of cut up a little higher than it is on this side, but that's only if, you know, I tell you about it and you're actually able to get up on me to see it. But from afar, like right here, you're not able to tell unless I tell you about it. But I just had to let that be known because I was really like bamboozled. Like, I won't say bamboozled, that's not the right term to use, but I was really shook because I spent all of this time, you know, creating this unit and dyeing the hair just for me to fuck up the closure. But like I said, I made it do what it do. It looks really, really good. It's laying really, really flat. Okay, what wig? Okay, what wig? That's what I'm trying to, what wig? Okay, no lumps, no humps. Look. Okay, and then let's just move forward into the other things that I really love about this hair. I really don't get any shedding with this hair. Now, I've been wearing it, like I said, for a week. I've been wearing the wig consistently. Like, I'll take the wig off at night, but I will use some Got To Be glue gel, not the gel, but the spray around my hairline just to tack down the closure in place. I also have an elastic band on this wig just for extra security in case anybody was wondering. I am probably going to add a clip of what the wig looks like from the outside and the inside so you guys can get a better understanding of what the wig looks like. But I really do not get any shedding. I've been wearing this hair, like I said, for a week now, and I've been running my fingers through it consistently, and I'm not getting any shedding as of right now. Don't get me wrong, I may get like a strand or two, but the fact that I cut all of the tracks, like when I make my sewing machine made wigs, I do cut the tracks when I go and, you know, add more hair onto each row on the cap. So the fact that I'm not getting massive shedding, seeing as every single track on this wig has been cut, that is actually awesome. So that's what I really enjoy. I have washed this hair. I just washed it today. Like I said, this is the 8th day I've been wearing it. It's a Tuesday. I started wearing it last Monday, so yesterday made a complete week. So I washed it today because I noticed it was kind of stiff. And like I said, I've been going out a lot over the past week. It was Halloween week, I should say. So it was a whole bunch of events going on. My best friend was in town from California, so we were going out. We were in smoky places, just doing God knows what. So on top of having probably leftover dye in the hair, I probably didn't rinse all of the dye out when I first you know, started wearing the wig. It did get a little stiff, and it was kind of hard for me to brush, and I'm gonna be honest about that because that's just exactly what it was. So when I noticed that, I was just like, okay, it's time for me to wash this wig. So I washed it with my Aussie shampoo and conditioner. So basically I got a little plastic tub, I filled it up with hot water, and I put like 5 pumps of shampoo in it, and I literally just dipped the wig inside, and literally all of the water just turned black. Like, you know, not black, but you know, the little purplish tinge that you get when you rinsing black dye out of hair. That's what color the water was. So I knew it was a lot of leftover dye in the hair that was washing off, along with probably other extremities from the environment and going out and stuff like that. So this is just the result after washing it and conditioning it for 5 minutes and rinsing it with cool water. And then after I did that, I did blow dry the hair. I added the Garnier Fructis Slick and Shine Anti-Frizz Serum. I added maybe like a couple of drops into the hair when it was damp, and I blow dried it in. And then I used my new handy dandy flat iron. This flat iron was sent to me by Duval. Thank you guys so much. I love this flat iron, okay? And I know, yes, I was sent this flat iron for free to review whatever. I know y'all got a lot of trust issues when it comes to YouTubers and trusting their opinions on stuff. This flat iron literally did this to this hair. This hair is literally silky as fuck. Silky as fuck. This is the Duval Impulse flat iron. It has ceramic tourmaline plates. It goes up to 450 degrees, but it has 5 different heat settings. So it goes from 270, 320, 360, 410, and 450. It has this little strip infrared technology right here. I think that is so cool. But literally I did one pass on each section of hair and it got the hair super silky and straight, just like this, and I love it. I do have a coupon code for this flat iron. It is going to be ElleForLexxi 70. I will leave it here in the video as well as in the description box below for you guys that would like to actually purchase this flat iron. I was just talking about it on my Instagram live today. I was really telling people, like, look, I'm not getting paid to review this flat iron at all. I'm not getting paid to say anything about it, but I genuinely love this flat iron, and I've only had it for maybe almost a week and a half, but all of the times I've been straightening my wigs, this is just showing me it's very, very quality. It's an investment, and when it comes to straightening and styling your hair, you're gonna need a quality flat iron. So don't cheat yourself, treat yourself when it comes to making investments in hair appliances. So like I said, all of that information is going to be in the description box below for anything that you might have missed or anything that I might have missed. But going back to this hair, like I said, this is 3 bundles of 22 inches with a 20-inch 6x6 lace closure, dyed jet black. I used I think I used the Garnier Fructis. Is that what I used? I can't remember. Cream of Nature? I think I used the Cream of Nature jet black dye to dye this hair. But either way it goes, y'all, I really don't have anything bad to say about this hair. And I know that's a red flag, but I have really been flexing with it. Me? You talk me? I have really been flexing with this wig, y'all. Like, it's literally beautiful. Okay, I love it almost as much as the hair that I sell when I create my wigs. That is a big thing for me to say. Okay, I really, 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 really like this hair. Like, dead ass. I love it. So I'm not gonna come up with some, you know, something obnoxious to say or just something to say that I don't like it or a con about it. Okay, a con, I will say, if it gets dirty and it's too much product buildup, or you haven't rinsed whatever products that you had in the hair off, over time the hair will start to lose the livelihood of it. It won't look as shiny. It will be a little bit stiff and it will be hard to brush out. That is the honest to God truth. That's how I felt about it before I washed it today. But me washing it right now, baby, you couldn't tell. You honestly could not tell. So like I said, I got this from AlipearlHair. This hair, I don't remember how long it took for it to get to me. I'm trying to remember if it was by DHL or FedEx. Either way it goes, I think Alipearl has a 2 to 3 business day shipping time, or is it 3 to 5? Either way it goes, I got it relatively fast. I got it within the same week that they sent me a tracking number for it. And you know, it's gonna be different because I didn't actually order the hair myself. They sent it out to me, so I'm just keeping it 100% transparent with y'all, and I'm keeping it 100% real with y'all. I really enjoy this hair. I do recommend it if you are looking to buy straight hair and you're, you know, nervous about it, because like I said, I've never tried this straight hair before until now, and I'm trying to figure out what took me so long and why I was only stuck with the deep wave hair, because I really like it, y'all. I really like it, and I feel like if I keep talking about it, I'm gonna keep saying I really like it. So I'm gonna end this video right here. I will leave all of the links to this hair in the description box below for you guys if you are planning on purchasing. If I missed anything or you have any other questions, make sure you leave it in the description box below for me to check out and respond to. Again, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Also, I'm leaving all of the information for this flat iron in the description box below. Remember, ElleForLexxi 70 for 70% off of their entire website, duval.com. And like I said, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.